Hello, sorry I'm losing my voice, but today we're going to be seeing something cool. So, as you can see, I got this. I pull that down, this will flush. It's the toilet, I'm going to show it. Okay, so let's look at this. This. As you can see, it's not flushed. Now this water, it's gonna fill up. Not full. So when it fills up, we'll see this part of the toilet. Now we're seeing this part. But you saw that. See this? When I pull this up, this pulls up. Let's see it in action. This is a lot different. You might just think a toilet is literally just a flush. No, it's got a tank. It fills up, you flush it, and that's where you always hear that noise. Like it's like filling up the water for the tank until it's all ready for the next flush. Alright, let's get a little really close up. And I'm ready to show this. We're gonna look at a really good close up. Here we go. So yeah, that is the toilet. I don't know why somebody would be dumb to not know how the toilet works, but you're wondering, this is just a video. I don't know. I'm losing my voice really bad. Oh my gosh. Wait. I hope you like this. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.